Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support while you go through the divorce process. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hello and welcome back to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And I'd like to go over an important question many parents face. And that is, can child support be modified after the divorce is final? So child support agreements are designed to ensure that children receive the financial support they need following their parents' divorce. However, as we know, circumstances can change over time, and that could prompt the need for modifications to existing child support arrangements. Now, can child support be modified after a divorce? Yeah, the short answer is yes. In most jurisdictions, child support orders are subject to modification based on a substantial change in circumstances. Now, what constitutes a substantial change in circumstances? Well, it can vary, but may include many factors such as significant increase or decrease in either parent's income, changes in the financial needs or modifications to custody arrangements. If you believe that a modification to your child support order is necessary, the first step really is to consult with a divorce attorney. They'll be able to assess your situation and advise you on the appropriate course of action. Depending on your jurisdiction, you may need to file a formal petition with the court to request a modification to the child support order. This typically involves providing evidence of the changed circumstances and demonstrating how they justify a modification. Now, it is important to note that child support modifications are not automatic, and they do have to be approved by the court. Both parents will have the opportunity to present their arguments, and the court will consider the best interest of the child when making its decision. Now, keep in mind that child support modifications can be complex and emotional charged in the process. It's essential to approach the situation with empathy, open communication, and a willingness to collaborate with your former spouse for the benefit of your child. Additionally, be sure to stay informed about your rights and obligations regarding child support and be proactive in addressing any changes in circumstance that may warrant a modification to the existing order. In conclusion, child support can be modified after divorce, and it's going to reflect the changes in circumstances that impact the financial needs of the child. By seeking legal guidance and engaging in constructive dialogue with your former spouse, you can navigate the modification process with clarity and compassion. That's going to be it for today's episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. Should you have any questions on the topic or other financial planning issues, feel free to reach out to me. I am happy to help. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.